Today I'll be taking us through the installation and changing of the handle direction of ML100. Here with me I have the spindle, I have the mortise, the indoor units, here is the outdoor unit, here's the AA battery to power the lock, and here's my screwdriver. So let's start with the installation process. So now I'm going to be showing us how to change the direction of our smart lock handle. Right now we have the handle moving on the right hand side, which we'll need to change to the left hand side. Behind the outdoor unit of our lock, we can see we have, whenever we move the door lock handle, you can see there is a rotation that doesn't go beyond 30 degrees. So this screw we can see here, we'll need to unscrew it. After unscrewing completely, we'll turn our smart lock over to the other side, and we can see the direction of the screw port has changed. So we'll need to screw it back on the other end. And as you can see here, we are done. So we'll do the same thing for the indoor unit as well. But for the indoor units, we have a different direction here and different mechanism here. So we need to unscrew these two screws here. While at it, we need to be careful in order not to damage any of the parts. So we can pull this out, place it here. On the outdoor unit, we turned over the top, but for the indoor unit, we have to take it through the bottom. Then screw back on the other direction. So that will be all on this. We have our door locks on the left hand side now.